Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert text to binary. So it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is open up Google Chrome, and then inside of Chrome you guys want to type in text to binary converter. Press enter and it'll be the first link right here, rapidtables.com. Open it up. And then inside of here is going to say from text to binary. You guys can type in whatever text you want. You can say hello world, and then scroll down a little bit and then hit the convert button. And this will be the binary code for hello world. You guys can hit the copy right here to copy it to your clipboard. And let's say we want to go from binary to text. We can click from binary to text, and then copy our or paste our binary code right in here and hit convert, and it will say hello world. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.